We're now going to look at another angle property called alternate angles. Alternate angles are the same. To identify alternate angles in a diagram, you have to look for a letter Z which has two parallel lines. You can see in the 6 diagrams here, we have a letter Z which has been orientated in different directions. But what you can see from all of these diagrams is that the angles which are alternate are inside the Z and are at the joints of the Z. We also call this the Z rule because we use the letter Z to help us identify alternate angles. So let's now apply the Z rule for alternate angles. So if we take a look at our example here, we have a diagram and we have an angle A that we're asked to find, and we appear to be given 2 other angles. Now, a suitable way to start again is to trace over the 2 lines that angle A lies between. So I'm going to trace over this line and I'm going to trace over this line. So like that. So the 2 lines here that I've traced over will form part of the letter Z. So to complete the letter Z, we would need to trace over this part of the other parallel line. So you can clearly see we have a letter Z, and the letter Z contains 2 parallel lines. So that means that angle A and 120 degrees are alternate, and that is because they both lie inside the letter Z and they both lie at the joints of the Z. So angle A is just equal to 120 degrees, and then the reason is because of the Z rule for alternate angles.